Let's talk about making your ceilings look amazing once a drywall goes up. What do you need to think about? You need to think about hot lights, speakers. We also need to think about where are the vents gonna go, where the air will come through the ceiling. They're hidden somewhere over in that general vicinity right now. There is so much that needs to be considered and thought about. And this all happens at the rough-in stage. What's a rough-in stage, you ask? Well, that's when we are getting the wires pulled. We're getting these metal little rings here. They're called mud rings. That's where the pot lights will ultimately go. So pot lights, speakers, air conditioning vents, and then on this home, there's also fire sprinklers. So we need to make sure that A, it all makes sense, B, it all works and it's functionally accurate, and C, once it's done, it looks really good. One of the most important parts about working with a professional contractor, like Sprucehill, of course, is that attention to detail and making sure everything is lined up. So that when you're in your hallway and you're looking down the hallway, all the pot lights are straight as an arrow. Are they always perfect after the drywall goes up? I mean, pretty close. Usually something gets missed, something is not exactly where you need it to be, so you've got to make adjustments. If you're looking for perfection and you're expecting it to be perfect the first go around, you're just not having realistic expectations. It takes time. It is just not possible to get it perfect right off the bat. Is it possible to get there? Of course it is, but it takes time, attention to detail, and a team of people that truly care about what they're doing and care about your final happiness. If you want to learn more about how we deal with making your ceilings look great once you move in, pick up the phone, give us a shout, or hit us up on our website, sprucehill.ca. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.